Hi friends, very good morning all of you. Welcome back to CAP classes. So, you are in the last stage of your preparation for November-December CA examinations. There was so much of uncertainty whether the exams will happen. There was a bill in Supreme Court, and as you know, day before yesterday, Supreme Court made it very clear that ICA can go ahead with the examinations. And also, it is clearly stated by ICA to Supreme Court that online examinations is impossible, and we will conduct examinations through this offline mode only. And they have put 200 more centers, and all the standard operating procedures and precautions are given in the website. ICA has given a notification. So in the background of all these things, there is more certainty now that exams are going to happen. So many students have been asking me, Pavan sir, will the exams happen or no? What are we supposed to do and all? See, I'll tell you one thing. As far as my mind is concerned, I do not see any uncertainty in this examinations, and I believe examinations will happen this time. And there are 5 times in this year ICI exams were postponed, but I don't think it will be postponed now. So what I suggest is you make your mind, you freeze your mind, and it is high time for you to zero down, and come out of all these ambiguities, uncertainties, and it is the time for you to focus on the examinations. So don't ask this question, will ICI conduct exams? And there are so many other things also. Some useless, jobless people, they are circulating memes like, if I attack with COVID, dear ICI, will you compensate my family? Will you compensate my medical expenses? All this is shit, okay? If you are going to write an examination and if a person met with accident and dies, do you think it is the responsibility of ICI? So this is normal risk, okay? So as far as my mindset is concerned, if I am the student, I will not question anything to ICI. If you ask about evaluation system or examination system, then that is fine. So during this pandemic, no one can do anything, and JEE kind of examinations were already conducted few months back. So now examinations are going to happen. So what is our responsibility as a student? What is your responsibility now? See, I'll tell you one thing. Always examination level will be this. Do you know why majority of the students fail in professional exams like CA? So many of them, they do not even know where the gap is. Examination will be of this level. Your preparation will be of this level. Examination will be this level. Your preparation will be of this. So you are operating below the expected, level of knowledge. So now the question is, how should you check whether you are up to the mark or no? How should you check whether you are up to the mark or no? The only way it is to be tested is through writing examinations. To, benefit many students, thousands of students who are already the students of CAP classes, and lakhs of students who are not students of CAP classes but using our YouTube classes or other modes. I want to help you in your preparation. So I came with a free mock test series. Absolutely free. You don't need to pay even a single rupee for this. So there are 8 papers in CA Intermediate. There are 7 papers in CA IPCC. I am starting this mock test series on 9th November and it will last up to 16th November. For IPCC students, it starts on 10th November. For CA Intermediate students, because you have 8 papers, it starts on 9th November. The best strategy is to do mock tests in upside down manner. That means you will start with paper 8 and you end up with paper 1. Okay, and if you are a student who is writing only single group, you are fortunate enough to get 1 day break between one exam and another exam. But if you are both groups student, that means if you are intending to write both the groups in this upcoming November-December exams, my dear friend, you cannot have the liberty of taking 1 day off between exam and exam. You have to write exams back to back in, that zebra line kind of 1 day group 2, 1 day group 1, group 2, group 1, like that. So if you look at the board, I have given the free study plan, free mock test plan here. So the first exam will be on 9th November for CA Inter students, and if it will be financial management and economics, followed by group 1, again by group 2, again by group 1, like that. And the beauty of this examination is the question paper is set strictly in ICAI model. So ICAI, how they conduct exam, descriptive, objective, the composition, the weightage, how they pick the problems from different papers also. Last 10 years papers we have observed, and in the same manner faculty have prepared the question papers. So all the exams you can write free of cost. I have seen so many test prep portals who are giving this mock exams at 299 rupees per subject, or 499 or 999 and all. Because of pandemic, I know the financial things that are happening across India, or maybe probably across the globe. So we do not have much funds at our disposal. So to help the students, I am giving free mock test. Please utilize this, write the examinations, inform this to your friends also, and ask them to write the mock exams. Writing mock exams will help you. You cannot even imagine. It helps you like anything. So failing in mock exam is better than failing in the main exam. So you will come to know what are the lackings. You will come to know where you have the gap, where you need to polish more. So please write mock exams. Utilize this opportunity. From 9th November we are starting with this. Prepare strictly according to this plan, and I am sure you will crack the exams easily. So I wish you all the very best. There is no uncertainty in the examinations now. Please don't look at this social media posts, memes, that are trending against ICA and all. At the end of the day, ICA conducts exam. If you want to become chartered accountant, you have to go through this system, okay? Looking at the sky and spitting will never help in anything. That will fall on our face only. So stop, attracting this negative energy, or getting influenced with this kind of memes. And some faculty also, I really do not know, with due respect to them, they are also speaking against ICA. They are also, maybe to catch the students' attention, or maybe to become more popular, you can create any nonsense. But at the end of the day, as a student, remember one thing: unless you write the exam and pass, you will not get the certificate. Unless you get the certificate, you are not a chartered accountant. Unless you are not a chartered accountant, you cannot realize all the dreams. Remember, when you are questioning something, or when you are at the verge of giving up, when you are exhausted or frustrated, close your eyes. Remember why you have started this. You want to become a chartered accountant, you want to become a finance guy, you want to become an analyst, or you want to become an auditor, you want to become CF of a company, you want to handle the taxation wing of a company. So my dear friend, don't unnecessarily take shit into your mind, okay? This social media and this memes and all, and trending hashtags in Twitter against ICI, nothing is going to happen you. The only thing that is going to happen you is this mock series. I'm serious. So prepare well, be positive, and work with a positive bent of mind, and write the mock exams. Inform your friends also. I wish you all the very best. Loving you all. God bless you. And for more details, you can text me on that number 98467 91598. And also I have given so many free resources, test series, and mock exams, MCQ contests, handwritten notes. So many things are freely given in our Android and iOS app. You can download our Android and iOS app both from Apple Store and Google Play Store. It is CAP classes. Okay, so please download, join the batch free of cost, and then take the free resources and get ready for your exams. Remember one thing, last but not least: a soldier who sweats the most in the practice will bleed the least in the war. If you are a soldier going to participate in the war, you have two options. One, sweat the most in the gym, sweat the most, or two, bleed the most in the war. So if you are a soldier, if you sweat the most in the gym, you will bleed the least in the war. Same thing, if you do not want to get a panic attack or a heart attack or a breakdown in the exam or on the day of results, the only thing you have to do is focus more, study well, and prepare smart. Prepare smart. Okay, so wishing you all good luck. God bless you. Thank you.